Hello, wonderful. This is Sarah K. Ramsey, and you're getting ready to start 31 Days to You, a journey to your next best self, and you're going to love it because we have already ran this program with some other people, and they thought it was awesome, and I know you will too. So, the whole purpose of this program is that when you start to get to talk to people and ask them, what are you good at? What do you like? What are your goals? What are your values? It's all over the place. We can so rarely answer that question. Now, we may have some leftover information from our last review at work, so we could answer something about that, or we could talk about our kids' t-ball team, or something along those lines. But when it's like stripped down to the core of like, what is it that I, and only I, am supposed to be bringing to this world? That's a really hard question to answer for so many people. And I don't think we can live our best lives without bringing our best selves to our life. So that is what this program is all about. You're going to love it. It's going to be awesome. And I'll be right here with you along the way to help out. So this is day one. First question. You ready? Now, it may seem a little hard, but don't worry. By the end of the 31 days, you'll be like, psh, that was easy. I'm going to be able to answer that all over the place. So have a good day. Rock this thing and get ready for day one, 31 Days to You.